Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. February is the perfect time to show your vehicle some love at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. Start with a free battery test, plus a complimentary multi-point inspection. And if you do need a battery, you'll receive $20 off your battery replacement. Looking to save even more? Take advantage of our Spend and Save offer and get rewarded when you spend more on the services your Toyota needs. And don't forget about Toyota Service Care, available now starting at just $275, a great way to stay ahead on routine maintenance. Schedule your appointment today at ConicelliService.com or simply call 888-289-5948. Trust the experts at Conicelli Toyota, a nice place to do business.